Arguably, ensuring that buildings and their users are adequately protected from fire is the most important responsibility of architects. Consequently, fireproofing is an important component of the International Building Code, or I.B.C. In this video, we delve into the fireproofing aspect of building codes. If a fire should occur, the structural members of the building need to be amply shielded. Chapter 6 of the I.B.C. provides a detailed framework for fire resistance requirements for various building elements based on the types of construction. In this video, we'll cover the most important components architects need to know to pass the project development and documentation exam of the ARE. The I.B.C. meticulously defines the minimum protection of structural portions of a building based on time periods for various non-combustible insulating materials in Chapter 7. While steel is non-combustible, it loses its strength at high temperatures. Therefore, it must be protected with approved insulating materials, such as sprayed-on fireproofing or gypsum wallboard. An exception to this rule involves roof framing that is over 25 feet above the floor. This framing may consist of unprotected non-combustible materials. Wood framing, although combustible, can be used in certain types of construction provided it is adequately protected. Wood possesses a unique property. While combustible, thick pieces of it will char when exposed to fire but will not immediately lose their structural integrity. The I.B.C. acknowledges this by introducing a separate type of construction, Type 4, specifically for heavy timber construction. In this type of construction, columns should be at least 8 inches in any dimension, beams and girders at least 6 inches wide and 10 inches deep, and floor decking at least 3 inches thick. To summarize, fireproofing is a critical element in structural design. It is a fundamental aspect of ensuring building safety and protecting human life. The I.B.C. provides comprehensive guidelines for fire resistance requirements, detailing the minimum protection needed for various building elements based on their construction type. These guidelines not only cover non-combustible materials like steel, but also account for combustible materials like wood, outlining the specific dimensions required for heavy timber construction. By understanding and adhering to these guidelines, architects can ensure that their designs are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound and safe. Fireproofing is more than just a code requirement. It is an essential part of responsible and effective architectural design.